In this video, I will show you how to add external include folders and libraries to C/C++ projects using Visual Studio 2022. To add external include folders and libraries to your C/C++ projects in Visual Studio, what you can do first is to go ahead and add include folders. So open your project in Visual Studio Code, right-click on your project in the Solution Explorer and select Properties. Navigate to Configuration Properties, head over to C++, head over to General. In the Additional Include Directories field, add the path to your external include folder. You can also use the Browse button or type the path manually. After that, go ahead and add library directories. In the same Properties window, go to Configuration Properties, Linker, and General. In the Additional Library Directories field, add the path to your external library folder. And after that, go ahead and link libraries. Go to Configuration Properties, head over to Linker, and head over to Input. In the Additional Dependencies field, list the library files you want to link. Separate multiple libraries with a semicolon. And last but not the least, go ahead and click on OK to save your changes. Build your project to ensure the external folders and libraries are correctly linked. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.